Hello everyone, I'm Ankur Tiwari and welcome to our channel KSV Maths. So today we are discussing how do we solve this. There are two numbers 75 and 72. The question is how do we multiply this? So if we use our conventional method, it may take two or three lines to solve this and it is a bit lengthy. So if we use a Vedic math technique, which is an Indian technique, uh, which you guys will find it along. But actually, I'm also using this technique, and it is a much easier way to solve this. And when we use Vedic math technique, Vedic maths way, then it enhances our thinking ability in the mathematics, and actually you like it. You like it very much. So let's start. So there are several methods. There are several matters. Let's dig into the one and left others for another video. We may discuss them in another video because they are not. There are various ways for solving the same question. The same question we can solve in various ways, in different ways. We can solve this. So today we are discussing the method taking nearest base. Taking nearest base is the method we use today to solve the problem. Let's take two numbers 72 and 75. So in the nearest base way, we can see that there are two bases. One is 70 or one is 80. If you don't know what a base is, you can easily uh, understand it by saying this example 70 or 80. It is a nearest base. They are the nearest base. There are many ways. There can be a many bases of these numbers. We can take 100. We can take if we take 100 like no. So if we take 100, then 25 is the if we take 100 then we see that it is 25 behind 100. Like if we take 70 as a base, we see that it is 5 ahead. If we add 5 to this, we get this. And 5, if we subtract 5 from this, we get this. We have to choose those bases which is nearest to them. For my convenience, I take 70 because I find it much easy. Now, if 75 and 72 are two numbers, then we see that if we take 70 as a base and like if we add 70, if we add 5 to the 70, we get 75 and 2 to the 70, we get 72. These are the unit values. Now, we multiply 5 into 2 and we get 10. Now, what we do is cross addition. Cross addition. Either we do 75 plus 2 or we do 72 plus 5. In both way we get the same number 77. Now we can write the both 77 or 10 as in this way. We can write them in this way. Now if we see that what we are doing is writing the right values. We write the right values. We are writing the right values. These are right values and we are writing them on right side. And add we add the numbers and write it on the left side. So, and there is a divider. This divide the two numbers. Now, as we take 70 as a base, we take 70 as a base. We take 70 as a base. So we multiply by 7. We multiply it by 7. After that, what happened? We after multiplying this, we get 5, 7, 5, 39. If you want to multiply it on your mind, you can simply did by conventional method, or we can use we can multiply in this way, like 70 multiply 7 into 70, we get 439 490, and then also 49, we add 49 to this, because what we are doing, we multiply in this way. Or you can just, what you can do, you can just sorry uh, you can just multiply it. And then what happened, as we take 70 as a base, in 70 there's only one zero, so we only take a unit value. Here we only take the unit value, and other, we add it to this, we carry it to the to this. If we take base of 100, if we take base of 100, then there are two zeros, and in that case, what we do, we take whole value, because there are two zeros, so we take two zero. But here, what we see, we are saying that there we take 70 as a base. In 70 there's only one zero. In 70 there are only one zero. So we take only base value and add the one to the another value. Now 75 and 72. After adding after adding 539 and 1, we get our answer. So let me quick remind what happened here. We take two numbers. We are using taking we are using nearest base method. Now we see that there are two bases here. One is 70 or one is 80. Base are the nearest value. Nearest values like 70, 30s, 50s. Here, 70 and 80 are the nearest value to this. And I will take 70 because it is convenient to me. It is easier way. Like we should take our nearest value, nearest base. If 99 is here, then I should take 100 because it is nearest. Now, as 5 and 2 are the unit values, we separated. Unit values like I am taking 70 as a base, so 70 is 5 less than 75 and 2 less than 2, 72. So I am taking this and then I multiply them. I get 10. After multiplying 5 and 2, I get 10. And now I add it in cross way. Either I add 75 plus 2 or I add 72 and 5. I am getting the same value this. Now we write it in this way, and after that I multiply 7 into 77 because I am taking 70 as a base, and then I get 539, and because I am taking 70 as a base, in 70 there is only one zero is coming, so as there is only one zero, so I am taking only base value here. If I take 100 as a base and there are two values, if I take 100 as a base, then there are two zeros in 100, so I'm taking two values. If there are 1000, then I'm taking three values. So here I'm taking one value and then I add one to it, and I'm getting my answer. So thank you for watching my video. Please like it, subscribe my channel, and comment for more such videos. Thank you.